You know, it's pretty amazing when you think about it. How can we connect with people across a world that's just bursting with different cultures and traditions? Well, today, we're going to dive into exactly that. We're looking at the digital tools that are building brand new bridges of understanding.
Just think about it. From the way the call to prayer sounds in one country to the incredible traditional clothing in another, every single custom is like a thread in this huge, beautiful tapestry. And this diversity, it's not just about what makes us different. No, it's a really powerful reflection of our shared history and identity in this global community of ours.
So how in the world do we explore this tapestry in our modern age? Well, a new, and I mean incredibly powerful tool has shown up: artificial intelligence. Let's start thinking of it as a digital bridge, one that connects us to all this rich heritage in ways that were just never possible before. And this isn't some abstract idea. This bridge is super practical. We're talking about AI that can instantly translate languages, breaking down barriers that have existed for centuries. It can also help us preserve priceless ancient manuscripts by digitizing these super fragile texts, making sure they're safe for generations to come. And maybe the most important part, it connects people, getting real conversations and friendships started across continents.
What this does is open up a brand new window into the Ummah, the global community. With this tech, anyone can learn about a family's special Ramadan traditions in Morocco or discover these powerful personal stories from the Hajj pilgrimage. It helps us deepen our own understanding of teachings from the Quran and Sunnah, and we can do it all right from our screens.
And this really gets to the heart of it. A tool is just a tool, right? It's our intention, our why, that gives it its real power. When we use technology with the clear goal of connecting with each other, it just naturally helps create genuine understanding, build mutual respect, and foster a real sense of unity.
So, that leaves us with one last really important question. Now that we have these incredible tools right at our fingertips, the responsibility is really on us. How are we going to use this knowledge to build our own bridges of peace and understanding?